Do you often find yourself procrastinating, spending hours scrolling through social media or watching random videos when you have important tasks to complete? It's a common problem, isn't it? Procrastination, that sneaky thief of time stealing away precious moments, leaving you with a mountain of tasks and a molehill of time. It's a paradoxical villain, offering the immediate gratification of relaxation and leisure while silently increasing your stress levels and diminishing your productivity. Now, overcoming procrastination isn't about punishing yourself or about working harder. It's about working smarter. It's about understanding why we procrastinate and then, armed with that knowledge, taking steps to change our behavior. It's about transforming the way we approach our tasks, our time, and indeed, our lives. No need to worry though, you're not alone in this battle against procrastination. Let's explore some strategies to overcome it. But before that, if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so we can bring more and more quality videos for you. Before we dive into the strategies, it's crucial to know why we procrastinate. So why do we put off tasks that we know we need to do? Well, there are a few common reasons. Sometimes it's fear of failure that holds us back. We're afraid that if we try and fail, we'll be judged or feel disappointed in ourselves. Other times, we lack the motivation. We don't see the immediate benefits of a task, so we push it aside. And often, we feel overwhelmed. The task seems so large and daunting that we don't know where to start, so we simply don't. Understanding these root causes is the first step in battling procrastination. It's like putting together a puzzle. Once we have all the pieces, we can start to see the full picture. And it's only then that we can create a personalized strategy to tackle procrastination head-on. Once we understand why we're procrastinating, we can start taking steps to overcome it. Now that we know why we procrastinate, let's look at some effective strategies to tackle it. Firstly, one of the most common reasons we procrastinate is because the task at hand seems too daunting. The solution? Break it down into manageable parts. If you have a big project, don't try to tackle it all at once. Break it into smaller tasks and focus on one at a time. By doing this, you'll find the work becomes less overwhelming and more manageable. Next, let's talk about time management. The Pomodoro technique is a popular method that involves working for a set amount of time, usually 25 minutes, followed by a short break. This technique helps maintain your focus and keeps you from burning out. It's like running a marathon. You don't sprint the whole way, you pace yourself. Now, onto distractions. These are the little things that pull your attention away from the task at hand. It could be your phone, social media, or even your own thoughts. One effective strategy is to eliminate these distractions. Turn off your phone, close irrelevant tabs on your computer, and create a quiet, focused workspace. Finally, rewarding yourself after completing tasks can be a powerful motivator. Finish that report? Treat yourself to a coffee break. Submitted that assignment? Watch an episode of your favorite show. Rewards don't have to be big, they just need to be meaningful to you. Let's be clear, these strategies aren't magic bullets. They won't suddenly make you immune to procrastination, but they can help you manage it better, and that's the goal. Procrastination is not necessarily a bad thing. It's a part of being human. The key is to not let it control you. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate procrastination completely, but to manage it better. So, to quickly recap, we've delved into the world of procrastination, shedding light on its nature and the reasons why it ensnares so many of us in its clutches. We've explored how fear of failure, perfectionism, lack of motivation, and feeling overwhelmed can feed into this habit of delaying tasks. Then, we took a detour into the realm of strategies that can help us overcome procrastination. We talked about breaking tasks into manageable chunks, setting realistic goals, creating a conducive environment, and employing the power of positive reinforcement. Remember, the key is not to eliminate procrastination in one fell swoop, but to gradually chip away at it, one task at a time. Procrastination is a hurdle we all face, but with these strategies, you can jump over it and enhance your productivity. Start today and see the difference. If you found this video useful, like it, share it with your friends, and give us a subscribe so it can motivate us to make more videos for you. Till next video, take care of yourself. Thanks.